Having a home fire drill plan is a big part of fire safety. So here are a few tips for building and practicing a plan of your own. Plan an escape route. Now, if you need to, draw out an entire floor plan of your home and make sure each person knows how to exit each room and then the home. If possible, try to have 2 exits for each room. Remind everyone to crawl low beneath the smoke. Before opening a door, check the bottom for smoke or flames on the other side and carefully check the doorknob for heat with the back of your hand. Choose a meeting place outside of the home, like a neighbor's lawn. This is where anyone who's able to get out of the home by themselves should meet and wait for the others. Also, it's a good idea to have an agreed upon point of contact. Everyone should be able to call this number and make sure that it's memorized. Call 911 from a neighbor's phone and never re-enter a burning building. Don't even attempt to re-enter your home until it's been inspected and approved by a professional for re-entry. Now, of course, practice makes perfect, so practice. Kids often run fire drills at school roughly 3 to 4 times a year, so it's a good idea to do the same at home. For more information on safety tips, check out our other videos.